Hello everyone, in today's lesson we will learn about cross-hatching. This technique is used to create tones or value in a drawing, which ultimately makes your art look 3D. The main concept is to vary the thickness and spacing of your lines to create the illusion of volume or gray space. Let's start by creating a rectangle with a pencil and ruler. You can later apply ink to your work. Divide your rectangle into 5 sections. Now you have what looks like a value scale, but without the value. Each rectangle encompasses a different value ranging from light to dark. You can label it light, medium, medium dark, and dark to make things a bit easier. I am using a Pigma Graphic No. 3 marker because I like how it allows me to make thick and thin lines with one tool. But you can use a regular Sharpie for this exercise. In the light section or tone, create vertical lines with either a pencil or marker. For medium light, use vertical and diagonal lines to create gray space or value. With medium, you want to make your lines a bit closer and also use vertical lines and diagonal lines on both sides. You should begin to see how different each tone looks from each other. In medium dark, you can make your lines closer and add horizontal lines to create more contrast. Finally, with the darkest dark, use all of the previous lines and add a new direction not used before. By creating this value scale out of cross-hatching, it helps us to see how by layering lines we can create depth and ultimately make our art look more real. Let us apply what we have learned to a still life drawing of a fruit, such as this orange. You can draw the contour of this orange very lightly with a pencil before going over it with a marker. The value scale you created earlier is a great tool to refer back to when adding value to your artwork. Another way to use cross-hatching would be to use curved lines that wrap around the object. Until next time, keep practicing.